This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Jill Crinion. Welcome home. This spectacular home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a bonus room. Spacious open floor plan with vaulted ceiling and granite throughout. Kitchen boasts tons of cabinets, granite counter tops, breakfast bar, and all the appliances stay. Owner's suite boasts cathedral ceiling, huge walk-in closet, his and her sinks, jacuzzi tub, separate shower, and vanity area. All this plus on a corner lot, privacy fenced backyard and storage shed. Please call Jill Crinion 337-348-2652 with Century 21 Delia Realty Group to view this fantastic home. For more information, review the details below.